I'm Jericho Rodrigo, and this video I will share my reflection about virtue ethics and how it changed my perspective. I used to take things at face value, but then I started developing my critical thinking skills, and it's completely flipped my perspective. Critical thinking has also made me more open-minded. I realized that there is rarely just one right answer. Critical thinking has been a game changer for me. It's helped me navigate complex situations with more confidence and clarify. I'm grateful for the skills I've developed. I'm excited to continue growing and learning. Critical thinking has honestly changed my life. I used to just go with the flow, but now I question things, look at the different perspective and think more deeply. It made me more curious and open-minded. I feel like I can make better decisions and understand people better too. It's been a really empowering shift for me. Critical thinking has really helped me make better decisions in my community. I think more clearly about issues, considering different viewpoints and look at the facts. It made me more thoughtful and intentional of my actions. For example, when discussing local issues, I try to understand different perspectives and find common ground. It's helped me build stronger relationships and contribute to positive change in meaningful ways. Critical thinking has really helped me set better goals and think more clearly about what I want to achieve, consider different options and plan more effectively. It's made me more focused and intentional. For instance, when setting goals and I know I ask myself questions like, is this realistic? And what are the potential challenges? This helps me create actionable plans and stay on track. Yeah, kita.